Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special unboxing. This one is from a YouTuber named QS Tech Services. I will link in the description below. I have no clue what's in the box. It's not fair. He knew what I was sending him. Well, kind of. But he said he was going to send me this package. And this is the package I received. So, without any further ado, man, let's get into it. Make this quick. I'm kind of curious what's in it. QS Tech Services and I have common interests in chip programming and stuff. So I don't do game consoles, but I get along with gamers and console repair people too. So let's see what's in this box. He says I can use it. So what's in here? What's in here? QS Tech Services. He's like, let me read this. Alright, here's what he wrote. He's like, hello, Steven. Thank you for all the help. Appreciate you, bro. Here's a little token of a gift to you. Hopefully you'll be able to put these to good use. Enjoy. Your friend, Q. Okay, yeah, I helped him get set up with his chip programming. Nice packing, Q. And he's enjoying it. He's learning a lot. I like to spread the knowledge. Probe Master. Oh, we got Probe Masters. Let's see here. We'll have to give these a test. I've looked at Probe Masters before. I used another brand. I'll pull mine off real quick here. Well, thank you, QS. I will give these a try. But I run the Pomona. These are really tiny. And the tips come right out. And you can change tips to long tips, bent tips, whatever. But those are the ones I use. So these are the Probe Masters. But Probe Masters I hear some really good stuff about. I'll give them a try. Mine used to be about that gray. You can tell they've been handled a bit. Now these are my go-to probes. But I will definitely give these a try. And I like probes. As long as it's not from an alien, and yeah, we won't go into alien abduction theories. So cool. I'll have to give these a try. These are a Probe Master. These unscrew. Can you change the tips, or are they permanent? I think they might be permanent. Test lead engineering since 1980. I've got I think I got a couple of their oscilloscope probes. Oh, the Constitution of the United States. We like that. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We like that. There they are. Pocket Constitution book. Amendment 1. Freedom of speech, and there are like 5 freedoms in the First Amendment. And Second Amendment is awesome. I exercise it daily. Quartering in the house, yes. Right, Fourth Amendment, we're losing quite frequently. Fifth Amendment, yes, we're losing that one too. Criminal prosecutions, speedy and public trial, losing that one also. Suits common law over $20 is the right to trial. Excessive bail shall not be required. Well, I think most bails are excessive. I don't think you should have $250,000 bail. I think for stupid stuff, yeah. And power is not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited by the state. Yes. And then this is a pretty good book. I think I got one or two of those somewhere around here. And also we got Tesla. It's 48 inch. That's the part number 8043SK. 48 inch. So these are probably long. Yes, those are long. I think mine are 36 inch, and that's my biggest complaint on them, is they're not long enough. So these might actually end up being my probe of choice after I use them a bit. It's the tip length, getting used to the probing when you're under the microscope. What accessories does it come with? Anything under there? Nothing under there? What we got for probes? Yeah, caps. Yeah, little J hooks. Always need these little things, man. These are awesome for having around. Alligator clips, or AKA roach clips, and terminal blocks. Yes. Little mini grabbers. I got tons of these. My favorite ones came with my Siglant probes. Yeah, little easy hooks made in USA. Oh, you see that? We like made in USA things. Quality. Probe Masters. Oh, these are interesting. Oh, that's kind of nice. Those will come in real handy, I think. These thread on, if I recall. I think those could come in real handy. And that actually would be, hold them like chopsticks, man. As when I was in China, I was out eating, and they're like, "You know how to use chopsticks?" Oh. Chopstick probes? Okay. Well, thank you, QS. That's really awesome of you. I'll be sending you another package here shortly, too. So, think you'll like what's inside of it. So, well, that was a gift from QS Tech Services. Check his channel out. He does some cool stuff. He does a little different things than I do. So, different's good. So, we'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll be throwing you some more content here, changing things up a little bit in the next couple weeks. Have a good day.